Hello there and welcome to another episode of Mr. Johnson's Math Class. I'm your host, Mr. Johnson. Today we are discussing unit rates. By the end of this episode, you will be able to find and compare unit rates. In this example, we're asked to determine what is the better purchase. So we can buy a pack of 16 pencils for $1.19 or a pack of 24 pencils for $2.09. Now, this problem doesn't explicitly state what is going to be our denominator or what the value of 1 should equal. So for this, what we're trying to figure out is what's the cost. So we want to know the cost per pencil. And if you kind of think of it as cost per pencil, this word per is kind of I guess it's kind of a buzzword for us, but that tells us so whatever is after that, that's going to be our unit or the value of 1. So really we can take this cost per pencil and write it kind of like cost per pencil. Alright, so here we go. So now we're going to figure out what it costs for 1 pencil in each pack, and then we'll compare what we get. So I'm going to set up, again, I like to use it in words first, which is what we have up here. Alright, so right up here we're going to have $1.19 for this first pack. So we have $1.19 for 16 pencils. And in our other pack over here, it is $2.09 for 24 pencils. And we need to know which one's the better option. So figuring out our unit rate here, on this side, I'm going to divide the numerator and the denominator by 16. So when we divide these by 16, I know we get kind of an ugly decimal when we do $1.19 divided by 16. But given that it's money, I'm going to round it, and I'm going to leave off all the extra stuff, but you get roughly 7 cents. And if you punch in your calculator, you'll see that it's like 74375, something like that. So it's roughly 7 cents per pencil. And now in this other pack of pencils here, following kind of the same logic, the same process, divide by 24. And again, when you punch that in your calculator, you're going to get kind of a crazy decimal. But we are dealing with money, so we understand how to round it. And if you punch it in, you'll see all the extra stuff out past here, but it's roughly 8 cents for 1 pencil, or 8 cents per pencil. So the better value is going to be this pack of 16 pencils for $1.19 because you're getting your pencils there for 7 cents a pencil. So that's how you can compare unit rates. And when we look at it, we know that 7 cents is less than 8 cents. So that's how we know that the $1.19 for 16 pencils is going to be our better option. I hope you had as much fun as I did, my friends. We will see you soon.